Hey guys, today you're going to be coming along with me and decorating with me. I'm going to try to do a silver gold, no actually let's just do a silver black theme today. And I'm going to show you before we get started what I already put in this vase here. These are from the At Home store. They were originally $4.99. I got them at a discount, so I got 3 of them for about $4, and yeah, they were $5.99. Still got the tags on so I don't get anything wrong. I did a DIY on these. I put some Mod Podge in the center and I just sprinkled some chunky glitter. So alright, so we're going to get into our silver and black theme. So alright guys, so I am showing you my next pieces of decor I'm going to put, and this is actually from the Dollar Tree. These little ice cream bowls, dessert bowls, I got from the Dollar Tree a while back. I'm just repurposing them. I put a little bit of embellishment with some bling wrap, which you can get from the Dollar Tree as well. And I got these spears. I got about 5 in one set for, actually I'll leave everything in the description box, but they were a very reasonable price from Amazon.com. So if you ever want to recreate this look, you can just link on that link and order them and recreate it. So we're going to go ahead and put these here. And I'm actually thinking about adding one more. Alright guys, so I love this vase that I got from Z Gallery. That was my big ticket item that I told you I usually sometimes splurge on. I got it a while ago and I'm just now showcasing it because I really didn't know what to put in it. So I found those, as I said earlier, those florals from the At Home store, and I've got some of these fire pit rocks that I'm going to actually put in the vase. So anytime I have some leftover fire pit rocks, I love the fact that they come in so many different colors. Actually, let me show you what colors I have so far. This is black to go with the black and silver theme. And I've got some blue. And as you saw in one of my other videos, I had some gold. So those are my 3 primary colors that I decorate with pretty much. So I'm going to just use gloves because fire pit rocks are sharp in some. All right, so I got you a little bit closer. So go ahead and open these fire pit rocks. All right, guys, so I got my fire pit rocks open. I got my gloves on for safety, and I wish you could see inside this bag. Look at that. That's why I love fire pit rocks. They're so pretty. And I'm just going to carefully grab some out the bag and put them in. As I said, when I picked this up from the gallery, I saw the rocks that they actually had, but they were pretty much all pastel colors, and my colors are kind of pretty much gold, black, and maybe blue. I like the color blue. And so if you buy fire pit rocks anyway for your fire pit, you probably will adopt this idea, because I mean, just put them in very gently, and you don't have to put a lot. See, like that's all I'm gonna put in there to kind of go with my theme. Alright, so I added an ottoman, and I'm trying to basically cover up the cords, as you can see. Now, one way you can do that is just to add an ottoman that actually pushes all the way under the table. In my case, because my ottoman is actually bigger in width than my table, I can do something like placing a base underneath just to hide it. So let's try that out and see what it looks like. All right, guys, that was a fun video for me because those are two of my favorite colors actually. So let's go ahead and go over the list of what I purchased to see if I stayed under budget. So for the decor, the black and silver spears that I had on the table, those were 5 for $27.99. And that's roughly about $5 a piece. You can find them cheaper though if you really search. Now those curtain tie backs, those silver sparkly ones, they're so pretty. I'm a glam girl, so you know I love them. They were actually $10.99. And the black pearl curtains, those are 54 by 108. They were $40.49. And I think I got a good deal on those. Now those white beautiful magnolia florals, they came from the At Home store and they were on sale. They were $5.99 a piece. I got 3 of them. And this is what our total was after we finished. And I just used items in my home and went and bought some color coordinating items and some decor. And I was able to make a totally different look. I hope this inspires you. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and make sure you don't miss another episode of how to style a room under $100. All right, thanks so much for watching and have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.